Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. We ain't finna do all that yappers today. Let's get into this video. Really, because my son is here and I ain't got time to yap. So the Doux, they got this. The Doux just been dropping stuff. Go ahead, child. But they have this Bananas Xtreme gel. It's a super shine and holding gel, sulfate and paraben free. And I was just like, okay, well, shoot, the last thing worked for me. Let me see if this worked too. Let's get into this. So really quickly, I am going to, y'all see how I just rolling through? Listen, 2025 is the year we ain't yapping, we business now. Speaking of business, this business is new to me. This is the shampoo that I use. It's from a brand called Love Your Curls. I'll talk more about them later. The conditioner I use is from Pattern. I use the intensive conditioner, and then usually I don't do a leave-in for my wash and goes, but I felt like my hair needed a little bit of extra TLC, so I went in with this from CurlMix. It's the wash and go moisturizer. So it's been sitting. I'm about to go detangle, and then we're gonna see what the Doux can do for my curls. Be right back. And we are back. So again, we have the Doux Bananas Xtreme Gel. It's super shine and holding. It is good for sleek, spiked, or slick styles. Now that kind of threw me off when I read it, but when I got to the directions, they give you directions for like curly styles as well, so you can use it for that. As far as what it's good for, it has banana leaf oil, bamboo oil, and agave. Now I know some people care about ingredients. I don't see any silicones, but do your Googles, make sure I'm right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to this. Bitsy, wait a minute, girl, why is this top so tight? What? Sorry. The smell. It smells like bananas. And I'm just, me personally, I'm not a fan of banana. I can't even get out. I am not a fan of banana scented things. The consistency. Okay, it has a slippery consistency. If you've ever used like flaxseed oil gels, that is what it's like. In my hands, it got so much slip in it. So all right now. So let's go ahead and start the application process. The directions say, wait a minute, I'm out here growing. Wait a minute. Y'all, I am growing out a taper cut. Didn't I say I wasn't supposed to be yapping? Get into it. But I'm growing out a taper cut. Y'all know I had cut all my hair off. Postpartum shedding did me dirty. Let the short stop. Stop playing with me. Shout out to me and Shampoo Beauty, link in bio. All right, so let's get into the directions. It says apply generously to soaking wet hair. Distribute from root to ends. Shingle or finger coil for max definition. For best results, get under the dryer or diffuse. Allow the hair to completely dry. Blah, blah, blah. Put it on, let it dry, fluff it out afterwards. All right. All right, so I'm going to start with a very little amount because y'all ain't going to be saying if it start flaking that it's my fault. So I'm going to just do like this much. I don't even know if y'all can see it. So rub that together. And I'm going to just apply it. All right. Just work that through. So I'm going to smooth, rake, smooth, rake, smooth, rake, let it go. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? I think I might like that. All right, let's do a little bit more. So I'm gonna just take some of this hair. No product, no product. All right, so take some more. Oh, that's a lot. Wait. Rub it together in my hands. Put it on this whole section. So I'm gonna smooth, rake, smooth, rake, smooth. And that's just me running my fingers through, then rake just to make sure it's distributed. Wanna make sure I kind of break that up a little bit. Rake, smooth, rake, let it go. What y'all think? Now me got the, wait, y'all, when I tell you, didn't I say I wasn't yapping? Whatever. Y'all, the gray hair has been popping up. But as far as the curls, I feel like this looks good. Like, does it not? I wouldn't care if you said it did. I feel like it looked good, but of course we need to see what it like once it dry. One more patch. So I'm starting with like basically a pea-size amount. And then to keep from over application, I smear it, rub it. Okay, so let's smooth and rake before he have a complete fit. And let it go. I feel like that's promising. Gray hair. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Y'all see my process. Smooth rake, smooth rake. Take a pea-sized amount, rub together, smooth rake, smooth rake. Let me go ahead and apply it to the entirety of my hair, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all see what it's like when it's set but not like dry or whatever. Be right back. And we are back. So a couple things I'm observing already, and it could be because, disclaimer, I did use a leave-in, and y'all know when you use a leave-in, it softens the hold of a product, so I ain't gonna knock it. But I noticed that I do have some definition but also some fluffiness, so I know it won't be as defined, and it's probably gonna have a little bit of a softer hold because, again, I use a leave-in, but I'm okay with it. But I noticed, can y'all see over here? The definition that is there is defined. You understand me? All right. So here's what I am going to do. I am going to get under a hooded dryer. I'm gonna let it dry all the way, and then I'm going to just like fluff it at the roots. I ain't gonna do too much because I can already kind of tell what my hair is gonna look like once it's dry. But let me go ahead, tend to mommy duty first of all, and then also dry it, shape it, fluff it, and I'll let y'all see me in my final form in 5, 4, 3, 2. And final results are here. Let me tell y'all something. Growing out this taper cut is anyway, let's get into the results though. So price point on this, I believe, is like $16.99. They do have it on the Doux website as well as the red store that, you know, anyway, the ingredients was cool. The definition, it does give you definition, and the top is where I add a lot of volume with picking, so don't judge that. But on the sides, on the end is where I hold it straight. You can see it does actually have some definition. I will say though, the hold is not that strong, at least with me using it on top of a leave-in. And again, leave-ins can soften the gel. The hold on it was more so medium. It wasn't a super strong holding gel. For me, a super strong holding gel would be like Eco Slay, Coco's Naturals. It was some of I used a few years ago where I'm just like, oh, that's real strong. This isn't that. Maybe if I use this without a leave-in, I will get a stronger hold, but with using it with a leave-in, this is the wash and go that I would not get a full week's worth of wear out of it. I would have to touch it up. As far as how much I used, I really didn't use a lot at all, so you don't have to use a lot of product. Overall, it's a cool gel. If you want something super strong holding and you are using a leave-in like I did, I would not recommend it just because it's not like really firm like that. But if you like a hold but you still have like a lot of pliability to your curls, you can pick it, shape it, you ain't got to worry about feeling like you're gonna snap it off, then this would be something that I would look to. Is this something I would repurchase again? Honestly, for me, I would not, simply because y'all know I go to the gym, I be sweating, my hair already don't last long, so if I do a wash and go, I want it to like be really firm so I can get at least 5 days out of it. I know my hair, I will probably get 2, possibly 3 days at most. So this one isn't for me, but y'all know I love to do. They got a lot of products that I really enjoy. What is it? She got this honey custard. Now that, oh baby, I will purchase that again and again. This one, I'm glad I was able to support, but this isn't something that I will go back and purchase. Does that make sense? Okay, so anyway, that is all for me and this haircut that I am absolutely sick of. I'm about to put it right back into a protective style and go on about my day. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece, and that's it. Bye! Child, I done got on here and told y'all I wasn't gonna yap. Who was I lying to?